babes, welcome. This is Ray with Raw Element, and I've received quite a few requests to show you how I made my own font. So I have a freebie for you all called Make Your Own Font when you go over to my freebies folder at rawelement.com. And there's some instructions here. What I've done is I've gone and grabbed the template and put it into a Goodnotes file to make it easier for you. So you follow the instructions. Draw your style of each character in the spaces provided, export the pages, and then upload them to this website. So these are the pages that you will go through and fill out. This is via calligrapher.com, and all you do is get the pen tool and your line thickness. I use the 3rd thickness, but you don't have to. And you just hit undo if you don't like it. And you could do like little hearts on the top of the eye, or whatever you want to do, however you want to make it. These are capitals, and then it starts at lowercase at the bottom and finishes over here. Once you get this completely filled out, then you're going to export. So select these 2 pages, hit export, and you want to export it as an image. You need to turn off export as a zip file. Save to files. And then you're going to go to this website. Down here, it'll say get started for free. So you tap on that, you put in your email, your password, create an account, and then you can delete it right after if you're only going to do it the one time. Now that we are logged in, you're going to tap on the fonts page and upload template. Choose file, find where you saved it, and upload both of them, and hit upload template. And it'll show you a preview if everything looks good. Then you can say add characters, build font, put in the name of your font. I just left it as my font. And since I didn't fill in the others, there's not much to show here. I download the TTF version. Once you get that downloaded, then you just install however you like. If you're installing on an iPad, you're going to need an external app like iFont. Looks like this. And you'll say import, and then pick your font. Once you do that, then you hit install, and it's going to prompt you on how to get that installed. So thank you for the request. I appreciate it, and you can head over to my freebies folder to download this template. I'll see you in the next one.